Oxygen therapy. Introduction. Please point to the capillaries. Choose one of the following options. Correct. When air reaches the alveoli, the oxygen in the air passes through the walls of the alveoli and into the blood in the capillaries. Oxygen therapy can decrease shortness of breath and tiredness. Select true or false. Correct. Can oxygen therapy be used as a long-term treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. Oxygen therapy can be used as both a short-term and long-term treatment. How can oxygen be delivered to the body during oxygen therapy? Choose one of the following. 1. Breathing tube. 2. Face mask. 3. Nasal cannula. 4. All of the above. Correct. Is oxygen therapy completely safe, meaning it carries no risk for complications? Select yes or no. Correct. Oxygen therapy is safe, but transtracheal oxygen therapy can cause serious complications. The risk of these complications is reduced with proper medical care. Thank you for using Explain.